Okay, welcome to chapter 2, Airs of Fire and Breath. You can see I'm wearing more casual attire today. I was just feeling kind of relaxed, see how it feel. So let's just do some science in a relaxed way and continue to study this interesting, elusive third state of matter called gas. So in chapter 1, we stumbled upon a groundbreaking conclusion, and that is there is at least more than one type of air. There's at least two types of air, and we know that because originally the air inside the closed vessel could sustain a flame, but according to our theory, or the theory that we're working with so far, the theory of phlogiston, when the candle is burning, that is the phlogiston inside the material, inside the wax, being released. And when that closed vessel is saturated with this phlogiston, no more phlogiston can be released, and therefore the flame extinguishes. And so this is the second type of air, a phlogisticated air that can't sustain a flame. So there's these two types of airs. And in this era of chemistry, elements and substances in all materials were defined by nothing more than the set of properties that each element or material or substance had. So titanium metal has a certain melting point, has a certain boiling point, it has a certain density, it has a certain electrical conductivity, heat conductivity, it reacts with light in a certain way. So these set of properties, titanium has a unique set of these properties. Gold, also a unique set of properties. It has a density, a hardness, electrical conductivity, heat conductivity, a melting point, a boiling point, etc. And so this logic was applied to gases as well. We have two types of airs. We can only define them and then name them through their set of properties. The problem is air is a little bit more, gas is a little bit more difficult to contain and study, because if you have one type of air here, how do you prevent this type of air from contaminating this first type of air? So it's a problem, and it's going to require some clever thinking, almost like engineering thinking on our part to get through. So the two types of air we are going to investigate in this chapter is the air of fire and the air of exhalation. So can we isolate these two types of air and probe their properties? And the two properties we'll look at is how they affect the pH of water and how they affect a cobalt chloride strip. And we'll talk more about that in the next video. All right, let's get to it.